this assessment, we're asked to calculate the index of hydrogen deficiency for a molecule with the molecular formula as shown. On the screen, I have the equation that we're going to use for calculating this, and so let's just plug the numbers in. We have 6 carbons. There are 14 hydrogens, so we're going to subtract 14 divided by 2, or 7. We have no halogens in the molecule and no nitrogens in the molecule, so just for the sake of completing the formula, minus 0 over 2 plus 0 over 2 plus 1. 6 minus 7 plus 1 is going to give an index of hydrogen deficiency of 0. This molecule should have no double bonds, no rings, no pi bonds. Its index of hydrogen deficiency is 0.